Morning, y'all. It's Bob Stein. Today is Sunday, September 18th. It's 11:24 a.m. in the morning. I'm on Bowman Boulevard in Greenville, Mississippi. I thought today we would go out to Warfield Point Park and film out there. The last time I filmed out there, I think, was in the spring. So I didn't really want to go out of town today, so I thought that I would stay local, and that came into my mind, so I thought we would go out there today. I have a favor to ask y'all on Facebook. If y'all like my videos, please go to my YouTube channel, Driving the Mississippi Delta, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've got 975 subscribers right now, and I need 1,000 to monetize my channel. So I'm asking y'all, if you like my videos, please go to YouTube and subscribe to my channel, Driving the Mississippi Delta. I would rather get there sooner rather than later. So I'm thanking y'all in advance, and we will be out at Warfield Park soon. We're going to be going down Cypress Lane. I think I will stop at the Cypress Lane Preserve and maybe shoot a little there and then on out to the park. Thank y'all. Y'all have a real good day, and we will see you next video. I'm on Highway 82 West, getting ready to turn to go to Warfield Point Park. And you can see out in the distance there, those are our elevators, I think expressly for Rice, I believe. Used to be Comet Rice. I don't know what it's called now. But those are strictly for rice. That's the MP&L power generating plant. These elevators are staying open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, folks. This is an old cotton gin that's been turned into a residence. "50 years of smoking and a case of COPD is going to make it sort of hard to get up these stairs." I want to tell y'all how I quit smoking after smoking 50 years. I went to the doctor. He did a breathing study. He told me I had COPD. That scared me so bad, I left his office, got in my car, had a new pack of cigarettes, started driving, drove over the bridge. I was going to Carroll's. I opened the passenger side window, picked up the pack of cigarettes, and threw them out over the bridge down into the Mississippi River. That was the last I'd had of cigarettes. And I suffered intensely for a week. I suffered less intensely over the next 3 months. I still had some pretty bad cravings. Somehow I managed not to smoke. After about 90 days, one morning I woke up and the craving was gone, and never had a craving again. So that's how I quit. I hope if y'all smoke, y'all can quit too before you get lung cancer or COPD. That's my public service announcement for today, folks. Now let's see if I can make it up these stairs.